Okay, question in here from Emma, which needs a little bit of explanation. So she downloaded Revit UK libraries, and she doesn't seem to have any wall or floors when she goes to create a wall. She's using the ISO template, which does have walls in there, but no generic concrete timber walls like we had access to in previous versions. So a couple of things here. First of all, let's get an explanation of families. So there are three different types of families within your Revit project. There are system families. Okay, system families are your walls, roofs, and floors. Now let's read this down here. System families are predefined in Revit. You do not load them into your projects from external files, nor do you save them in locations external to the project. Okay, so they're embedded files, if you like. Loadable files are the typical ones that you get in the UK library. So they're taken from the library, out of the library and into the project. In-place families are those you create using in-place masses and things like that. And I've explained those to you in quite a lot of detail over the years. Now, so let's open up our Revit here. Now, if I did want to take some old wall types that I had in a project and shift them across into my new project or shift them across into my new template or something like that, I can do that. So I've got two projects set up here. ISO 19650 project, which is from the template that you're using at the moment. And Control Tab, I've got a TU standard project, which is your old project here. So you'll recognize if I go into the walls here, you'll recognize here's your rain screen and your banding, your LTW, and those external insulated walls that we used last time as well. All right, so I want to shift those into my new template or into my new project. And to do that, I go to the Manage tab, Transfer Project Standards. Now look, it says here, copy from the ISO. I want to go the other way, so I'm going to cancel that. And I'm going to Control Tab again. Now my 19650 is live, so I'm over to Manage, to Transfer Project Standards, and I'm going to check none because I'm coming down here to my wall types. Now it'll take all the wall types with it, but I'm going to show you a trick to get rid of those two as well. All right, so I'll go OK, and I'll hit New Only, and it'll probably shout a warning at me here about materials and things like that. That's fine. But look, back into Architecture and into Wall, hit the drop-down box here, and now you can see all of those wall types that you're familiar with are now in the project. Right, that's a lot of wall types. You might decide that, well, there's a dozen of them there I'm not going to use. And to do that, then you would, to get rid of those, what we're able to do is go into Manage, Purge Unused. All right, so I've got another little video in which I'm going to show you how you can use Purge Unused and the thing to watch out for when you do use that. All right.